about that lighting. Holy crap. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Fishing with Becca. I've had a crazy morning. Basically just drove an hour and a half to a lake, and I think everything in this town is pretty much closed due to COVID. So I just drove over an hour and a half and now I can't fish there. So I just picked a random lake 13 minutes away from this one, and I'm gonna drive there and hope that it is opened. So that's my morning. Today we're gonna be fishing with Sam and Izzy. They are my friends. Sam's from New York, so I don't get to see her all that often. So it's gonna be pretty fun. I'm excited. Hopefully we get some fish. I have no idea if this lake is even good. I did no research on it because I wasn't planning on going there. So we're gonna see how it goes. It could go good, could go bad, we don't know. If you have not seen my last 3 episodes, you guys need to go check it out. It is absolutely insane, like just insane. I'm sorry if this lighting is so bad, but my last 3 episodes are, first off, I'm fishing with Alex Perry. Second off, I hit a fence at the hotel with my boat, and then I catch the biggest smallmouth of my life, and then I catch the biggest striper of my life. So if you haven't seen the last 3 episodes of me fishing in Cape Cod, you guys really need to go check out those videos. I'll leave it linked down below. It was the best fishing weekend of my entire life. Literally entire life. I'm wearing Cape Cod bass fishing hat. I love fishing the Cape. I do it a lot, but not weekend trips, and it was just so much fun. So go check out those videos if you guys haven't already, because they're seriously some of the best content I put out on this channel, especially you guys want to see me fishing with AP Bassin. I mean, I got a hook in my hand past a barb, so that was fun. But enough of that. Today we are going out fishing with my friends. I'm excited. I'm just disappointed that we can't fish that lake because it really looked amazing, but we're 12 minutes away from our second option of the day. It's been a morning, okay? I've been up since 4, all right? I'm a little disappointed, but anyways, I love you guys, and I'll catch you guys at the boat launch. Woo! Okay, we're at the boat launch. This place doesn't look bad. It's a completely different place than what I had rigged up for the other place that we were supposed to fish, but now, you know, you guys already know the whole 9 yards. It really doesn't look that bad though. My friends are almost here. I'm gonna get the boat loaded up, so next time I'll see you guys will be on the GoPro. I don't know, let's just have fun. Let's go get on some fish. I'll catch you guys out in the water. Okay, say hi, Izzy.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, they're there. You just like feeling the bites. You have fish on.
Okay, you do it. I'm scared.
No, I'm not doing it.
Becca,
no,
Becca,
reel it.
I'm scared. What if it attacks me?
You're good. Oh
no!
Oh
no!
no!
No, you left the hook and the bait and the poor fish.
No, the hook came out and the bait came off.
You don't know that.
No, I saw the bait come off.
That was big.
That was big. That was big.
My heart. Why didn't you do it?
I'm not helping you.
Why? Izzy, you have to do it then.
No, Izzy. I'm gonna retie you.
I think it's swim away. Swim away. Sam, what? I told you I'm scared. I can't do it.
It was a decent fish though. Just next time, don't get scared, because then it's gonna come off because you're not gonna keep tension on. Just keep going. I will help you land the fish.
Out strong you.
Like, I will help bring the fish. Like, when it comes to the boat, I'll grab it and bring it in the boat, but that's it. Okay? Okay.
I'm nervous.
Here you go.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Part 2. We got this.
Yeah. I'll see. I just forgot that I was
No, of course I did. People are gonna love watching 2 girls trying to fish. Content. Your line is like, your rod is like completely bent. I don't know though. Did you hook set the fish at all?
Like that?
You gotta like do it like harder though. Like literally go.
No, I didn't do that.
Hook set.
Oh boy.
There you go. Keep tension. It's a perch. It was a perch. How'd you hook a perch?
Was that bad? No. Wow, thank you.
What did you do?
I don't know. Holy shit. I can't do this. Becca, Becca, Becca. I can't do this. It's like pulling my line. I can't do this. You have to do it. You have to do it. You have to do it. Becca, you have to do it. Becca, you have to do it. Becca, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it.
All right, reel it in now. He's at the bank. Here.
Nope.
No, reel it in.
Why?
Fight him.
No. Holy he's huge.
Okay, now lift him up. Lift him in. Come here.
Dude.
Why wouldn't you reel him in?
I caught one though.
Here. Look at your fish.
I want to take a picture with it.
Okay, I'm gonna take my big camera out. So
Do I hold it like this?
Yeah, put it right there.
I'm so irritated.
Well,
Shut up. Just...
I can't believe you won't reel it in. How do you feel?
Great.
You feel
I'm so scared I didn't reel it in, so...
Why wouldn't you reel it in?
Because I'm scared. Here, you want to hold it? The thumb first. Holy shit. Give me some water.
You're gonna lose him.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! I knew that was gonna happen.
Izzy!
What was that?
Give him some water?
Yeah, I told you that was gonna happen.
I'm so scared. Yay! I
Did you get a
that as
picture
my
with
third. Yes.
That was your first, but you can count it as your third if you would like.
I will.
Okay.
Thank you. Can I use your rod?
Trust me, it's not the rod. It's just you, Izzy. You need to reel it in next time.
Okay.
That's it. I'm not helping you ever again.
Sorry, I freaked out. I'm really bad at this.
You've caught a bass before too.
I didn't reel it in.
Who reeled it
My
in?
friend's back.
Your friend?
Yeah.
You're so fake. You didn't even hook set.
I know, 'cause I'm scared. Oh.
You got one? Yeah, you do.
Izzy!
Oh! Bring him in, lift him up, lift him up. Don't reel it all the way up like that. What the heck? You look how far she reeled that up.
I'm sorry, sis. You have some water.
Look how far you reeled that up. You can't reel it. Let some line out.
Oh my god!
You know why he came off?
Why?
Because you reeled it all the way up. What was that?
No!
No,
That counts.
No,
that counts!
No, it doesn't. You literally slammed him into the boat. Like you just like, all you hear was whoosh. That one pack of Sankos, and I feel like I should probably. Wow. All right, no help needed, right?
No, it's a baby. Ish.
Ish. He's fighting really hard though. No, it's not a bad fish, Jim. Look at.
Okay, it's heavy. It's fat.
It's heavy. It's fat. Yep.
Yep. Yay!
Yay!
God! I want to hold it. I want to hold it. I want to hold it.
Dude, feel how warm he is. Like right here. Like just feel how warm he is.
Aw, little baby.
You're right. Stick it in.
Yeah, no water this time.
Yeah. Do you feel cool because that's not your fish? Yeah, if you want to just toss him in. Nice. Sam's improving a lot because she actually reeled that in by herself.
Yes.
You can't swear on YouTube. I can't swear on YouTube.
Block it out.
Okay.
Can't you?
Yeah, it's just a lot of editing.
Sorry.
No, it's fine. It's fine. Oh, how do you feel? Are you feeling good?
Yes,
Catching
now I
fish?
feel good.
How many fish have you caught?
If we count the 2 that didn't come up,
Yep. 5?
sure.
Or 4?
Let's go with 5.
I feel like you landed 3, didn't you? I don't know. I'll look at the video and I'll look. I have no idea. I don't remember. There we go. A little bias.
Oh, so it's a baby? That makes me feel better.
What do you See you, bud.
Oh. Stupid lily pad. How do you do that? What is this for?
You have a fish?
Oh my god.
Nope, I'm not doing it.
Please.
He's still on.
Please.
Lift him up, lift him up, lift him up.
Becca.
Lift him up, lift him up.
Okay, there you go.
That's actually a decent fish. Yeah! That's actually a decent one.
I'm so excited. I pulled it in. Now you can't make fun of me. Yay! I'm so happy.
You hooked him perfectly on the top of the mouth
I need
too.
a picture with it.
Yeah, we're not gonna give him a drink of water.